2013 Upper Deck Ultimate Collection Football.
Hey, good luck, Seth.
Let's see what we got. All right, we'll start off with a Drew Bledsoe base, number 2/175. We got a Derrick Rogers, 299 rookie. And a booklet. This is a level 1 booklet, number 275. Manti Te'o.
That's a very attractive looking card.
It's pretty cool looking. I like the booklets. And a super jersey, Drew Bledsoe, numbered 18/35. Pack number 2. Start off with Eric Fisher, rookie, number 299. And Ultimate Legends signatures, Ty Detmer, 3/15. Another good booklet. Number 2/199, Le'Veon Bell.
That's a nice looking card.
And finish up with a dual patch, 40/60, Cordero Patterson. All right, Seth. As always, buddy, my pleasure. Appreciate it, and we'll get it right out to you.